If you want to send money internationally with STC Pay, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Select international transfer at the bottom left, and basically you're going to be able to see your beneficiaries. If you don't have one, just click a new beneficiary. If you do, just go ahead and select their name and purpose, and then basically continue and add the money so you can know the transfer fees and everything. Follow the prompts to confirm via your phone number and everything, and then you're going to be able to send the specific amount of money to that person. But before, they need to review your beneficiary details, STC Pay, I mean. So they need to review it and confirm via process, and after they confirm, you're going to select your beneficiary into the amount of money, and as we showed you before, you're going to select your delivery option, Western Union or any other local or international transfer with the lower fees, and then you're going to be able to see the fees before your transfer, and then basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.